Welsh Labour has been the dominant political force in Wales for as long as anyone can remember. That seems to be about to change, and the leadership of Wales and the vision for Wales seems to be a battle between, it looks like, Plaid Cymru and Reform, and that's a very interesting and sort of febrile argument that's going to be happening between those two visions for Wales.
Are you backing Plaid Cymru? Would it be fair to say that or not?
Yeah. I think of the parties that look like they have a chance, there's one that has the best interests of Wales at heart, and I don't believe the other one does. Definitely people, no matter whether they're voting for Labour, Plaid, Reform, whatever it might be, you can see that there is a desire for a sense of community, of togetherness, of feeling like we're together, and a sense of being taken advantage of and being exploited by other groups. And that tussle, that battle, manifests itself in different ways with different faces and different masks, but it's essentially the same battle that everyone's going through. And I just hope that that we can make it work without a sort of an apocalyptic resolution.